Hello, this is lesson 9 of the cursive lessons. We're going to focus on the cursive capital letters H, K, M, N, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are a lot of uppercase letters that start in this way. And so we'll get started. We're going to start with the capital H. This is one that gives people fits as they're learning. This is a little difficult one, but everyone is capable of making this letter. It just takes practice. All right, so we start underneath the top line, and we're going to do a nice curve, and we're going to go straight back down to the bottom line like that. That's the beginning part of the H, but then you have to pick up your pencil. Start at the top line again. Only no curves, just straight. You're going to go to the bottom line, and you're going to follow it back up till you get to the midline, and you're going to do an under loop. So this is the first part, and then we, whoops. Having a hard time focusing, I just noticed. Let's see if it can get itself. There we go. Okay, it's because I moved my paper. So here's the H. All right, so that's how you make the H. And I'm thinking of a name. How about Heather? H. The H is one that you can connect. Okay, so that's how we do the H. The next letter we're going to make is K. Starts the same way. 1, 2, 3. That's how you make that capital letter K. Just like so far, it looks just like the H. But and then you start at the top line for your next part, but then you just go in and out. Very similar to the the printing K, but these lines are more curvy. So we're just going to do a few so you can get a hang of what it looks like. Okay, so I'm thinking of someone's name. I'm thinking of Kyle. All right. So the next letter we are going to do is an M. Yeah, a lot of people's names start with M. Starts the same way. This one you don't pick up your pencil until you're done with the whole letter. Pretty easy to make. Very similar to a printing M. Well, I guess not capital, but lowercase. Similar to a cursive lowercase m too. So M, how about Michael? M, I, C, H, E, A, L. Okay, so there's M. N? It's almost an M, only. Thinking of Nicholas. I have a nephew named Nicholas. N-I-C-H, but let's just do Nick. There. And then U. Think of a name with U. I'm still thinking. That's how you make the U. It's pretty narrow, a little bit narrower than that last one. Okay, so there's U. I cannot think of a name that starts with U. All right, and then V. Looks like so. It's pretty narrow, round at the bottom. Okay, so that's the difference between the U and the V, if you can see. Just observe the differences. The V doesn't finish this way, it finishes up above, so top line, with the U, top line, bottom line. As you can see, you can connect the U, but you cannot connect the V. You have to pick up your pencil to finish that. All right, W. Looks like so. Whoops. Stop before we went to the bottom line. There we go. We could do Wesley. I came up with a name finally. We have to pick up our pencil though. I guess for V we could do Vic. I just thought of one for V, V-I-C-K, or Victor. All right, so we still have a few more. We have X. It's not many times when you have to do a capital X. This is one that many people forget because it's just, if you don't do it, you forget. And like I said, there are a few people's names that start with X. The thing about the capital X is you have to cross it at the middle line. That's how you make an X. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Y and Z are the last two. So Y, very similar to the U, only you keep going underneath and you put a tail on. This would be a G tail. Oops. I'm getting tired. I've been doing a lot of cursive videos today. Okay, here we go. My hand is getting sore too. Y. And we could just say yes. Beginning of a sentence. Yes, I like ice cream. Yes, you can go to the mall. There. All right, and then Z starts the same way. Here's how we make our Z. If you were doing a title like the Woodland Park Zoo, you would capitalize the Z because it's a proper noun. All right, so those are the letters that all start in the same way. Thank you. We have one more lesson to go, and then we're done. Thank you.